Good day, I'm Ata Oluwatobiloba, 300 level building technology. I'm here to talk about search engine optimization. So this is group 9, group effort. So like throughout this journey of researching and everything about search engine optimization, I come to terms that it is a very interesting and knowledgeable part of digital marketing strategy. So for the next 5 to 6 minutes, this is just going to be like a crash course about search engine optimization. So let's jump right into it. So what is search engine optimization? Search engine optimization focuses on your website's presence on the search engine research page. So basically, if you search on Google, for instance, to buy a shoe or anything, the first 5 things you see are Amazon, Konga, Jumia, Gigi, those like. So I'm here to like explain how you can bring up your website's presence on that search engine research page. So how does it work? So search engines have bots, crawlers that crawl the web, gathering information about your website. So basically they gather the information and put it in an index. So an index is like a giant library where the search engine pulls out information about your website. So if you Google shoe or anything now, the crawlers will crawl the internet and pull out from the index. So they are like so I'm going to talk about two strategies now about on search engine optimization. So these tactics are very good about on how to improve your website's presence. So there are on-page strategies and there are off-page strategies. So on-page strategies are it's self-explanatory in the name because it talks about what is on your page, what is on your website. So your title speed, your content, title tags or your content, the site speed, the content on your page URLs, your internal linkings. While off-page are just links from other sites to your sites. So backlinks, yeah. So yeah, on page. So let's talk about how it's. Let's go deeper into it. So if you want to improve your content, if you want to improve your website's presence on the search engine research page, your content, what you put in your website matters. So your the crawlers and I talked about the crawlers and webs. They can't actually read content for content, but they can pick out keywords, and those are the factors you need to improve in your content, so to speak. So let's now talk about web tools that you can use to drive search engine optimization. So these are for keyword analytics and keyword research. So you have Google Analytics, Google Search Console, Mars Bar, and so on and so forth. That is to gain information about keyword research used by the crawlers and web or about your website. So let's talk about how to build your website. Tools that you can use to build your website as a whole. So you have Squarespace, Weebly, and Wix. Those are very good website builders and it requires minimum content building. So let's now talk about why search engine optimization is important. So, like I said at the beginning, your visibility and the rank on the search engine research page. So your ranking on how. So a survey carried out shows that people tend to click on the first 5 or first 6 links that they see on the search engine research page. So if your website is not on the first page, there is little chance you're going to get a click or anything because nobody wants to go through the stress of going through pages and pages just to find what they want. When they can just easily see the first 5 and they will think, okay, these are the best things to offer. So if you optimize your website, you have improved everything about your website. So your page speed is improved, your page URLs, backlinks going from your website to your website. Because the thing about backlinks is that most of the times when people click on them, it takes you from a website through ads and all that. It redirects and everything about it. So when you have improved, you've optimized your website, your ranking is better because your page speed is good, like I said. Your backlinks are very good. Your page URL is very good, and your content is top notch. That's one. 2, you have web traffic. So once you optimize your website, it is now very optimized. Web traffic, people will come to your site to see what you have because you have good content, you have good site speed. So people will come to see what you have. Web traffic will then translate to income because when people are there, they will engage in your content, engage in your website, and buy things that you want to sell. And web traffic leads to growth, and growth is essentially the issue about your business. The reason you start a business is for growth. For growth, you have to make money. So once you optimize your website, growth comes with it. So yeah, this crash course has been very enlightening. I hope it has been very enlightening to you. and I hope you put these tactics into use because they are very, very effective. How to optimize your website so you can challenge for the first pages, even with names as big as Amazon, GG, and all that. You can challenge if you are able to optimize your website very well. And this has been to me, has been a very good crash course about how search engine optimization improves your business. Thank you very much. That's all I would like to talk about. Thank you.
Of course.